Welcome back to BeInCrypto. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at TRX to BTC, also known as Tron to Bitcoin. We're also going to be spending a good amount of time on NEO to BTC. As you can see, NEO has been blasting off the past couple of hours, and we here at BeInCrypto believe that this could be foreshadowing the next big move happening within Tron. As we know, Tron is a Chinese-backed cryptocurrency, and we've had videos here on the channel in regards to what the president of China has, discussed in regards to them going full force in on adopting and really innovating and using blockchain technology instead of pushing it away. So with that being said, we could be seeing these Chinese coins kind of grow on the cryptocurrency list in the next couple of days, if not in the next couple of months. Now, something to pay attention to, as well as this interesting cross-chain project that has reached us here on BeInCrypto. You'll notice on the CoinMarketCal, there's an interesting cross-chain project happening within Tron with a 98% confidence and almost 500 votes, which could be another big influence as to why we could be seeing a massive pop and skyrocket within Tron. Otherwise, guys, if you're new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, like I said, there is an interesting cross-chain project happening right here on Tron. You can see it's happening on the 15th of November. Like I said, here are the votes and the confidence levels. And we have an article that actually goes way in depth, which you can see in the description down below. It's a BeInCrypto article where we talk about Tron's cross-chain announcement could be the start of a new uptrend in the near future, which we're going to be tracking here on today's video. We also go into some tweets as well as some Tron price analysis on the article. So if you want a little more in-depth analysis, definitely make sure to head on over and check that out. Now, I do want to give a huge shout out to our continued sponsor, STORMGAIN. They have been an awesome partner with us at BeInCrypto. And obviously, don't let your crypto sit. Make it earn 10% yearly interest for you. Basically, it goes on to discuss what exactly STORMGAIN is. It's an account from as low as $100 USD, 10% interest rate on all the currencies, and it is the lowest exchange commission. There's a ton more stuff to check out, but I highly recommend you do that. It is the first link in the description. Otherwise, to get on with the pure technical analysis, so merely to compare Tron to BTC, you'll notice there is this ascending 4-hour uptrend / ascending triangle happening on the Tron Binance. You can see that compared to Bitcoin, NEO to Bitcoin. You can see also we're having this 4-hour ascending triangle. Clear resistance up here with numerous points of contact. Eventually, though, with gain support, we managed to blast through here, skyrocketing up in price. You can see this is a percentage gain of about, wowza, about, I would say right now 20%, which is quite a bit for a coin that has been undervalued for so long. And you'll notice if we could see the same or familiar gains, we could even take it from, or let's draw on 20% gains as well. You'll notice that we could be seeing Tron rise all the way up to about this level right here, which is a fairly big pop on the 4-hour. You're noticing we're starting to see a bullish cross on the MACD, as well as getting pretty close to the overbought line on the RSI. So we're getting pretty close to the next major move. If we don't decide to break resistance here, there's a chance we could be retesting and retracing all the way back down to previous supports, which would be on Tron right around here. You'll notice with resistance here and supports here, if we manage to break bearish, we would retrace down to this level. But consider that with NEO and Tron trading fairly similar, we could be seeing a major breakout more than just a retracement. So I'm keeping a very close eye on the fact that this could be breaking bullish in the near future. Now, if we just scale things backwards just a tiny bit, you'll notice what it is that we're seeing right now. We're seeing a kind of bit of congestion with the high-low MMA, similar to NEO as well. You'll notice on its daily, where it was in the past, it was very close to its high-low middle moving average, trending right near it and then eventually popping up with quite a bit of consolidation before that uptrend happened. So you'll notice we are fairly similar within the consolidation on the high-low MMA. If we manage to break bullish from this purple band that we drew right here, there is a very good chance we could be seeing potentially the next start of an uptrend. Now, something to consider is when we scale this out, you'll see that we've pretty much hit rock bottom on Tron. We've pretty much been in this descending fractal that eventually broke bullish by hitting a bottom support. And if this support can continue, we're starting to see a more long-term uptrend. Hopefully you guys are seeing this as well as me, but you can see that if we extend this a little bit longer, we're starting to see a bigger uptrend than what we originally had. Merely being that this is the resistance. You can see previously, and we'll also compare this to Tron as well, we had a bit of resistance here, which is what acted as the support, or we had a support right here, which is now acting as resistance over there. And you'll notice the same thing happened within NEO. We had a bit of support right here, and then it started to act as a resistance. So to show you guys that again, support right here, and then we acted as resistance, and then support right here, and the same resistance, and we managed to break bullish after hitting an extremely, all-time bottom on the coin. Now, if things do continue to trade upwards, we should be able to see this continued pattern kind of swing our way to higher levels. Now, notice that we are becoming a little bit overbought, and we are becoming a little bit overextended on the RSI as well as the MACD. So this could be the top. We could be just seeing a 20% gain within NEO, and this would be where we would be selling off if Tron does decide to break bullish around a 20% pop, and then expect to see a small retracement to the downside. Otherwise, guys, that is going to wrap up today's episode. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications. Huge shout out to STORMGAIN for being a continued sponsor here on the channel, as well as make sure to check out the BeInCrypto article posted down below. Peace.